Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by cleaning and protecting. That's essential. Wash the headlight with soap and dry it, then tape off paint to avoid damage. Once masked, wet a 600 grit sandpaper and start sanding in straight, even strokes across the lens. Keep the surface visibly wet so grit floats away and prevents deep scratches. You want to remove the yellowed, oxidized layer, not gouge the plastic. Consistent pressure and motion ensure you take off the fog evenly. Once the rough haze is gone, make the surface smoother by switching to 1000 grit, then finish sanding with 2000 grit. Sanding directions should change with each grit, horizontal then vertical, so scratches blend out. Keep the lens and paper wet, water lubricates and carries away debris. Pause to rinse and inspect often. You're aiming for a uniform, light milky haze, not polish. This staged refinement removes scratches from earlier grits and prepares the plastic for polishing. You finish by polishing. Apply a plastic polish or light rubbing compound and buff with a microfiber pad, either by hand or a low-speed polisher. Work until the haze clears and clarity returns, then wipe clean. Make sure to apply a UV protective sealant or clear coat once dry. This prevents reoxidation. If clarity doesn't hold, check for deep pits or hairline cracks. Those need filling or replacement. And if yellowing reappears within weeks, reapply the sealant promptly for long-term protection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.